Josh Espinosa.
And you're back here at Vista Multigig. Hello po ulit sa lahat ng mga rather wishers outside. And I know we promised another song from sila, or Saxophone Idols Live in Action. They'll be having, once again, a concert this October. You can invite everyone once again to go on and check out the concert.
So if you want to have fun on October 12th, we promise you a jam-packed concert. We are performing songs of different genres, wide genres on that date. And sana makarating kayo because it is Asia's biggest saxophone concert of the year.
There you go, and you'll give us a taste of that on board the Wish 1075 bus. Pero before that, I actually am wondering one thing. Di ba kayo nauubusan ng hininga habang nagsasaxo?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, pero it's challenging, right?
Pero minsan.
May mga instances. Okay, so let's find out kung mawawalan siya ng hininga dito, but I bet hindi naman mangyayari. So let's go on and hear Josh from Sila on Wish 1075.